Hi guys, welcome to Solution Domain. This is Vikram here. Today in this video we are going to see how to download and install PostgreSQL in your Windows machine. Go to Google and type PostgreSQL download and hit enter. Then click on the first link. PostgreSQL is available for cross-platform devices like Linux, Mac OS and Windows, but we are going to click on Windows in this video. As you can see here, these are all the PostgreSQL versions, in which 14 is the latest one. To download, click on this download the installer link. Here we are going to download 14.4 PostgreSQL version for Windows 86-64 machine. Click on the download button. Click on the save button to begin the download. Wait until the download completes. Once the download completes, click on Show in Folder option. Right click on the PostgreSQL application and run it as administrator. The PostgreSQL setup will begin. Click Next. Make sure all the components are checkmarked and click on Next button. Leave the data directory as it is and click on Next button. In this step, the password that you are going to provide is very much important, because the password that you are going to give is for database super user. So you need to write this password somewhere safe. You need this password to log in into PostgreSQL as well as, and when you want to connect your application with this database, you require this password. Once you type the password, click on Next button. Just remember the port number and click on Next button. Leave this option as it is and click on Next button. Again click on Next button. The installation will begin and it will take some time depending on the speed of your machine. Click on the Finish button, which leads to Open Stack Builder, where you are going to install additional tools, drivers and applications. In Stack Builder, select the PostgreSQL version and port number. Click on Next button. Here I'm going to expand the database drivers and I'm going to select or checkmark NoSQL version 3.2 and click on Next button. Leave the download directory as it is and click on Next button. It will connect to the server and download the required files. It will just take couple of seconds. Once the required files downloaded from the server, you need to click on the Next button to install them. When the setup menu appears, click on Next button. Leave the installation directory as it is and click on Next button. And again click on Next button to install. It will take couple of seconds. Once it is done, click on Finish button. And again click on Finish button. As you can see here, installation is completed. Click on Finish button. Now open pgadmin 4 from the Start menu. It will take couple of minutes to load. The pgadmin will take couple of minutes to load. Once it is done, it will ask for the password. Just type the password which you have given and click on OK button. Without the password, you cannot log in into pgadmin 4. Next, expand the servers. Here it will again ask you the password. You need to type the password again and click on OK button. Otherwise, you will not be able to access the databases which are inside this server. You can check mark Save Password option and click on OK button. Boom! Now you are able to log in into pgadmin and able to access the databases. And this is how you download and install PostgreSQL in Windows machine. Thanks for watching.